Hybridization. Coach, in this topic, we are going to discuss the glocalization, creolization, hybridization, and the Apadurai 5 landscape. So what is cultural hybridization? Cultural hybridization is the mixing and the integration of the global and the local, leading to unique combination. So cultural hybridization is the mixing culture na humahantong sa natatanging kombinasyon ng mga kultura, culture that not reducible, it's either global or local. So the example of this is the Muslim Girl Scout. So where the uniform of the Girl Scout combined with the tradition of the Muslima. So the uniform of the Girl Scout with traditional hijab or the head scarf. The two culture has been combined. The cultural hybridization has also been associated with the notion of glocalization and creolization. The cultural hybridization ay naugnay din sa mga paniniwala ng glocalization and creolization. So glocalization, interpenetration of global and local resulting in unique outcomes in different geographic areas. So glocalization is reflected by the fact that the world is growing pluralistic kung saan ang mga individual at komunidad ay nagiging innovative agent that have a tremendous power na umaangkop at magbago sa loob ng kanilang bagong globalized world. The example of this is the salsa tradition, salsa dance tradition, kung saan gaano kalawak ang pagkakaiba sa mga ito sa buong mundo, sa bawat bansa kung saan sila nagpo-practice gaya sa US, Cuba at Venezuela at naapektuhan din ito ang mga culture ng mga bansa kung saan sila nagpo-practice. So the creolization involves a combination of language and culture that were previously unintelligible to one another. The creolization is the combination of culture and the language were formerly unknown to each other. Hindi sila gaano kakilala sa isa't isa. Hybridization. External flows interact with the internal flows, producing a unique cultural hybrid that combines elements of the two. So the hybridization is the process kung saan the culture element blend or mix nahalo sa isang kultura by modifying the element to fit the cultural norms. So the example of this is the Thai boxing, Asian rap, Chinese tacos. So the Thai boxing is the combination of the boxing and the UFC. So Asian rap, Chinese tacos, and the other the kosher pizza. So we're going to discuss the cultural landscape of Arjun Apadurai's the 5 global flows. So the 5 global flows are the technoscape, financescape, mediascape, ideoscape, and the ethnoscape. So this landscape na ay nagsisilbing pagsusuri sa pagkakaiba ng pagitan ng ekonomiya, kultura at politika. Bumubuo ng magkakaibang mga layer ng globalisasyon o mga sukat na mga daloy ng kultura. Technoscape is the flows of technology. One thing that the globalization brought us is the technology. With the use of this technology, we can easily get and look for the information we're looking for. So the example of this is the evolution of the cell phone. So the second one is mediascape. Mediascape is the flows of information with the use of the different app and waves. The example of this is the YouTube, Facebook, and blog. The third one is the financescape. Financescape is the flows of money or rapid movement of money across the borders. So the example of this is the debit card. Everywhere we go, we can easily get access our money with the use of this debit card. So number 4 is the ideoscape. Ideoscape is the flows of ideas. People from the past can be easily tricked and ignorant, but with this generation today, we called millennial, it's have a critical thinking and advanced minded. So number 5 is ethnoscape. Ethnoscape is the flows of people. So example is from the Philippines. We have a different foreigners. Some people immigrate, which means for the purpose of looking for a job, so they take some place in which they were felt comfortable. So those are the 5 landscape that Paradise discussed.